Hi everyone, it's Julie from the Children's Room at the Hedberg Public Library. I'm so happy to be with you today for our Wednesday book talk. I have some wonderful picture books that I'm very excited to share with you. Our first book is called Summer Song. It is written by Kevin Henkes and illustrated by Laura Dronzek. And this book is in the favorites section of our picture book collection. And Summer Song is the fourth book in a series of books on the seasons that Henkes and Dronzek have collaborated on. The others in the series include In the Middle of Fall, Winter is Here, and When Spring Comes. Summer Song is a wonderful story that really highlights the colors and the senses and the feelings of summer. If you lie in the grass and you're quiet and patient and lucky, you might hear a bug song, whirring and buzzing and humming. Are there bees? Yes. Grasshoppers? Yes. Crickets? Yes. Dragonflies? Yes. And silent butterflies too. So that's just a little bit of the book Summer Song by Kevin Henkes and illustrated by Laura Dronzek. The next story that I want to share with you is called The Nest That Wren Built. And this is written by Randi, Sonenshine, and illustrated by Ann Hunter. And this book is written in the style of The House That Jack Built. And it describes a wren building her nest. So I'll share a little bit of this one with you too. These are the leaves of ruby and gold, fallen from trees, sturdy and old, that weave through the nest that Wren built. In addition to a wonderful story, this book has some great things in the back. It has a glossary of some of the terms that were used in the story and also some Wren facts that you can share. So that is The Nest That Wren Built by Randi Sonenshine and Ann Hunter, illustrated by Ann Hunter. And this book is in our Natural World section of the picture books. All right, we have another story about birds. This one is called Nesting by Henry Cole. And this is the story of a robin building a nest and then following the robin and her babies through the year. Here are our illustrations. She lays an egg. It is smooth and blue. She lays 3 more. 4 is perfect. She keeps the eggs warm. She is patient. Inside each egg, a baby bird is growing. And it follows these baby birds through their first year of life. And this story also includes some facts about the robins. And this story is called Nesting by Henry Cole, also found in the Natural World section of our picture books. To finish up today, I would like to share a story with you. This is one of my very favorite picture books about summer. It is called Mouse's First Summer. It's written by Thompson and illustrated by Buket, Erdogan. And I want to thank Simon & Schuster for giving us permission to read this story. One sunny summer day, Mouse and Minka came along to play. Can you see Mouse and Minka? Tiptoe, quick, off went Minka. Wait for me, said Mouse. What's over here, wondered Mouse. Drippy, sweet, wet, red. Watermelon! Tasty, said Minka. What's under there? Wondered Mouse. Marching, munching, bold, black ants. Out of the way, said Minka. What's down there? Wondered Mouse. Oh, tickly green grass. Whee, said Minka. What's up there? Wondered Mouse. Oh, so high, bright blue sky. Woo, said Minka. What's this for? Wondered Mouse. Fluttery float and orange kite. Hold on, said Minka. What's in here? Wondered Mouse. Sweet tart sip, yellow lemonade. Oops, said Minka. She knocked hers over. Oh, what do we do with this? Wondered Mouse. Nibbly crunch, soft white bread, and sticky, smooth, brown peanut butter. What do you think they're going to make? And jiggly drip, purple jelly. Yum, said Minka. Oh, what's all around? Wondered Mouse. Wink, blink, fireflies glowing. Try to catch one, said Minka. Then, crackle, pop, boom. What's that? Wondered Mouse. Fireworks fly, every color in the sky. Hooray, said Minka. Hooray for summer, Mouse. And that's the story called Mouse's First Summer. And speaking of summer, I want to remind you all that we have our Imagine Your Story Summer Library Challenge. It runs June 15th through August 7th. And you can visit our website at www.hedbergpubliclibrary.org for all of the information about the Summer Library Challenge. We'd love to have you join us. And thank you so much for joining me for our Wednesday book talk today. I look forward to seeing you again soon.